On today's video, we're making steak bites with creamy butter garlic sauce, and you're not gonna wanna miss this. Let's get to cooking. This is gonna be a really quick cook. The whole thing comes together fairly fast. The one thing I wish we did have for this cook now that I'm looking at everything and smelling everything is like a nice bed of mashed potatoes to just build all this on. But we don't have it, but just always know that's an option for you. Let's get the cast iron going. A little bit of olive oil.
Olive oil?
Not olive oil, avocado oil.
I'll check it, bro.
All right, man, thank you, bro. We do have some nice steaks here that we are gonna cut up. And you can do this with whatever. If you wanna use a sirloin would be really good. So I am just gonna cut these into 1-inch strips and then cube them.
This reminds me of ribeye burn-ins.
Yeah, you remember the ones we did that we fried?
That was awesome.
That's what it reminds me of. These are going to be good. Now I'm gonna season these with our prime steak rub. If you don't have this, use whatever you like. This right here is gonna bring a deep, deep garlic flavor in there. You can smell it, can you smell it? But also that active live charcoal, it just gives it such a flavor of like, you know, fire. I better get a hot hand ready. She's warm. This is the part where you're gonna get that, when you brown that meat, the little crumbs. I forget the technical term for the brown on the bottom. What is it called?
Fond.
Is that what it is? On the bottom of the pan? Back on fire. See, Wes? You're learning shit. You're learning shit here today. I'm gonna get my other hot hand on. Me and Kyle do our best to bring you up, train you, teach you right. It's tough on us sometimes. Get some searing on there. Well, back in the day when I was running the Wild West, the range out in western Oklahoma, Kid Kosmo, we didn't joke much back then, Wes. It's serious.
Oh, serious, huh?
Yeah. I wish they was a little more brown. We need that pan to get hot. And put a little booter in there. I feel like this is 100% belongs on a bed of mashed taters. Rest it right there. All right, you ready? Let's do it. Get the butter down. Get all the fond off. Scrape up them little bits. Little piece of fat. We got some thyme, some rosemary, some grated Parmesan, a little bit of half and half. Now I'm gonna tell you right now, right here, you smell this? You start smelling garlic, you're in the right spot. You don't want to fry it. You don't want it crispy. Just keep it moving. Start scraping that fond up. Right there. Add your half and half. Keep scraping. Move off the flame. Scrape all them little bits up. Let it sit here for a second. Don't start rushing shit. I'm gonna go ahead and add my thyme and rosemary. You can start just reducing it just a little bit. I just like to put these in here and just to get a little, you know, a little extra pop on them. Now, the Parmesan. Feel like when you get to this point, man, you better have your game on. Oh, look at that. Boy, it's starting to thicken up now, son. A little bit of SPG, a little bit of cow cover course. All right, here we go. See that? Still a little bit of pink in the middle. Here we go. All you gotta do is just take a bite now. All right, here we go. Cheers. Yeah, we should have had some mashed taters. That's damn good. Well, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you want this recipe, head on over to kosmosq.com/recipes, print it off, make it for yourself, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. It's a point of no return right here. Old Kyle and all his knowing shit, huh? Well, that's fond. We can clearly tell you got left alone at an early age in life.